Hi everyone, I hope you are doing very well. In today's session, we will see how to see the application security as well as object security. So in order to see the application security, we will go to settings, and from settings, we can see this option application security. We can click over here and we can see the application security. This group is having administrator access. This group is having viewer access. We can remove or add any other users or group to provide access to the application. And we can also see object security, whatever the objects in our application have been created along with application security. So we will go to settings, and from settings we will go to security summary. From here we can see that these three objects are and their security. Here we can see this default all other users have no access permission level. TA administrator 227 have administrator level permissions. TA users 227 have viewer level permissions. And similarly, we can see these set of objects and their security permissions. So it will consist of all the objects along with their security. And we can also see the application security as well here, like this test application and what are the security permissions, which groups and which users have what levels of permission to the application. We can also edit. If we click on edit, we can change the security as well. We can remove the security as well. From here, we can also manage the security. And there is one more option, application properties. Once you click on here, you can see the property of the application. Like if you want to publish this application actions in tempo, so you can click over here. And so whatever be the actions in the application, they will be published as tempo. We will see tempo and actions in later classes. This is the name of the application. Prefix we can change, name we can change, and user groups. Which user have which permissions? This we can see from here. When it was created, last modified. This is application ID. This is the application UUID. All this we can see from here. Apart from that, we can see application actions from here as well. If we click on actions, if there are any actions, they can be displayed here, or we can create any of the action with the name, description, and we can select a process model. Process modeling we will see in later classes. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this today's session. We have seen the security summary as well as the application security. If you have any query or question, please do post in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.